Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this tutorial you will learn how you can restart a course for your account in SoloLearn on mobile in 2026. So let us begin. Alright guys, so let me launch SoloLearn here on my Android phone and let me navigate back to the home section. Here tap into Learn in the bottom left corner to get an overview of the available courses. You may, for example, expand or collapse the given course here. And if you have a course selected here at the top, like for instance this one here, or you may navigate to discover all courses to check to view all the other available courses. However guys, if the given course is selected, you will see the title here at the top, on to the left my courses, and at the top the title. So what you want to do is tap into these three dots here, select restart course, and confirm that you're about to restart this course, because guys, bear in mind that restarting or tapping into restart here is going to erase or delete your entire progress you have made within the given course, and this action cannot be undone. So guys, let me tap into cancel because I don't want to restart, but that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.